Sometimes it takes just one opportunity to change your career journey. Myself, Jignesh Thacker from Vishwakarma University, computer application student. Recently, I attended the EDU Plus organized Vending Technology Campus Drive, in which I got selected. I got PPO opportunity from that company, which is very good company that are organized by EDU Plus Now. It is a project-based company. I really thank EDU Plus Now for giving me this type of opportunity. I was failing from last 3 to 4 months. I was trying 10 to 12 jobs, interviews and all. But it was just my first EDU Plus Now organized interview in which I directly got placed. The interview process, the pen and paper test and all the things were one way going and much professional. So at the end, I just want to thank EDU Plus Now for this type of opportunity, and I hope that I will suggest every one of us, you just try EDU Plus Now if you are failing in life, in your career, in jobs opportunity and all. Thanks a lot. If you are still struggling with finding your jobs and opportunity, I personally suggest you that you must visit the EDU Plus Now.